What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. Guess what? The Civic is about to be back on its feet, or wheels, or whatever you want to call it. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see it in the trunk, I just picked up a transmission off of Facebook Marketplace. Now, it's in decent condition, but I'm really need to inspect this case because some of the parts on it is questionable, but the internals, which is important, look very good. You can get the cases fairly cheap. Now this is supposed to be an SC4 or something like that. So, but I need to count the actual teeth in the gears to verify what transmission do I actually have. So we may do that in this video. This is a hydro transmission. It doesn't come with the little clutch thing, so may have to buy another one of those or pull the one from mine. But the whole point is so I would have a spare transmission. So I really just want to take this one, remove the old one, put this one in, then rebuild the old one, and either put it in the shed or something, or either sell it and make my money back on this one. But the main point is I want to be in and out of cars, so I don't have to worry about my homeowner association, because I'm not leaving my other cars outside at night, just so that one can stay inside and be fixed and worked on. There's that. That's the whole point in that whole transmission, just for my stinking homeowners association. But so we're going to take this out and move it in the garage real quick and see what we got. Damn, these little things are small, but boy, they are super heavy nonetheless. Oh Jesus. Now what the gentleman also included was some Honda bond, which is good because that's not necessarily cheap, but I don't have that. Then he also included some genuine Honda manual transmission fluid. I may use this, I may not. We'll see. That's to be determined. First thing we need to do is take a good hard look at that. Then all of my screws he put into this. So we got all the screws in that. And here's the beauty about this whole purchase. I only paid like $500 for it. So hey, where can you find it? I couldn't pass it up. Now I don't know what he tried to do on the outside of this case, but I'll probably repaint that because I don't like that finish. I think he was just trying to clean it, but I like the traditional regular silver finish. So yeah, we probably gonna repaint that for sure. Okay, let's pop this case and take a look at it. Guys, I tell you, I'm already sweating, and all I've been doing is just kind of looking at this transmission. Boy, I tell you, this is why it's really very hard to work on anything out in Texas. All right, let's take a look at this thing. What do the gears look like? I briefly looked at them while I was, in the back of his truck. I mean, and the gears look good to me. The synchros look good. We got a little space in between it. You got space in between there, so that tells me that one is kind of suspect. Might have to replace that one. That one looks good. That one looks good. That one looks good. So I really got to figure out which one it is now. And the only way to do it is to seem like it looks kind of smaller than mine. This mess better bolt up, that's for sure. I'm sure it's not. Sure we'll be okay. That one has YSK2. That one has YSK3. Don't know what the difference to that is. Interesting. Worst case scenarios, did I say scenarios? Worst case scenario, I'm thinking whatever's broke in the car now, replace it with what's in this one, and then replace that part in this one, and build whatever transmission I have extra to build it up stronger. But these things are supposed to hold. I mean, let's be honest. When I put that transmission together, I use motor oil. That's right, motor oil in the transmission. You can do that. So it probably got too hot, messed up a bearing. So that's me being in a hurry. When you're working on cars, man, the number one rule is you can't really be in a hurry. I don't care how bad you're ready to get it up and running. You can't be in a hurry. I was in a hurry, and now this is what I'm doing. It's costing me. But yeah, so this doesn't mean anything, but it has YSK3. That one has YSK2. So I hope it doesn't mean anything. I'm sure I'll find out. Let's flip this over. Now, one thing I noticed about this case that's kind of iffy is these cracks in the casting. I don't know if you can see it. There's crazy cracks in this casting. I don't know if that's going to be a problem or what, but it seems like that's not a good thing. Let's get a light. If I had to guess, that is not a good thing. I don't recall that being in the other ones. So, but you know, I don't know if that's why you tried to shave it down so you couldn't see the oil leaks. You never know. You never know what. Fuck up my new camera. You never know what people's intention are. So, some little cracks right there, and there's cracks all in this case. So I may have to get a new case. Those aren't that expensive, and you can find them relatively easy. Not too concerned with that, but I'll need to do some more research because I don't want to have to take this out for the third time. That's for sure. If I don't know nothing else, that I know. But anyway, so we got the transmission out. Yeah. I'm gonna finish looking at it. I'm gonna count these gears to make sure I know what I have. That way, if I have to order parts, I can get it right the first time. Okay, so with various research on the internet, I think I figured out what transmission I have. Alright guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I just wanted to show you, let you know what's going on with the Civic. We fixed to get it back on the road. I think I'm gonna take my time with it though. Get this transmission right. May even pull the head off of it again and reseal that. I mean, because that's really all that needs to be done with the engine is for me to reseal it, because I was rushing, you know, getting that back together when I swapped pistons. And I didn't put any copper sealing on it. I didn't do none of that. I just slapped the gasket on it and tightened it down. So I'll probably get some more ARP bolts, take the head back off, you know, clean them again, and then mount it back on there again. It's a fairly simple process, just a little time. This your boy. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.